Good morning, students. Today in exercise 2.3 we are going to see the fifth question. Sixth question. The sunshade of a video is in the form of isosceles trapezium whose value is given as 81 centimeter and 64 centimeter, and the distance between them is 6 centimeter. Find the cost of the painting the surface at the rate of rupees 2 per square meter. Okay, so what is given? It is a trapezium, it is given, and the parallel sides value is given, the height is given. Here the new thing is find the cost of painting the surface. That is only the new thing. So already how we have to find the area, in the same way only we are going to find the area here also. So let me show this question. After understand this answers, then copy that in your classworks. Okay, now see, this is the trapezium which you have drawn you. So the value is given as 81 centimeter, 64 centimeter. Even you can give the edges to be A, B, C, D. Okay, the area, it's given, the formula is half into H into A plus B. H is what? The value 6 centimeter. A and B we know that 64 and 81. So you can add that. So you are getting like 3 centimeter into 145 centimeter. So at last you are getting the value of area is equals to 435 centimeters squared. Now the next question is find the cost of painting the surface at the rate of rupees 2 per square meter. Always when they ask to find the cost of painting surface, we have to use the area, because for the figure area is more important. So based on the area only we are going to find out the rate. Okay, so area is 435 centimeter square. So rupees 2 per square centimeter. புரியுதுங்களா? அப்படின்னா ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் சென்டிமீட்டர் வந்து இது பண்ணுறதுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு 2 rupees ஆகுது. அப்போ 435 centimeters இருக்கும்போது எவ்வளோ ஆகும்? எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் இஸ் ரிக்வயர்ட்? தட் இஸ் த கொஷின். Is clear? So when it is 435 centimeter square means how much it will be? So 435 into 2. This 2 is rupees. So when you multiply, you are getting like 87 rupees. It is not the centimeter, it is rupees. So rupees 870. Clear? So rupees 870 is the cost for painting the surface. Is it clear? You can write here cost of painting surface. Even you can write as cost of painting surface. Cost of painting surface. It's clear? Which is equal to rupees 870. Okay, now we'll pass on to the next question. It is seventh question. So it completes this exercise part. Okay, the question is given that a window is in the form of a trapezium. Here also the same trapezium only, whose parallel sides are given as 105 centimeter and 50 centimeter respectively, and the distance between the parallel side is 60 centimeter. Find the cost of the glass used to cover the window at the rate of rupees 15 per 100 square meter. Okay, so first let us draw the trapezium and substitute the values and we'll get the area. See here, now I have drawn the trapezium. Even you can give the name for the trapezium as the ABCD. It's clear? And then the values we have substituted over here: 50 centimeter, 105 centimeter, height is 60 centimeter. Then area is equals to, you can find the area as I am showing you in the figure. Okay, A is equals to, you are getting 4650 very easily. So after getting that, the question is asked to find that area is equals to 4650 means rupees 15 for 100 square meter. In the previous question it was asked like rupees 2 for per square meter, that is 1 square meter, but here they have asked you for 100 square meter. Appo 100 square meter ku rupees 15 na, okay, and then what is the value for 4650 square meter அப்படிங்கிறது question. Actually this you can write this side. Okay, இப்போ இந்த சைடில் நீங்கள் எழுதியிருந்தீங்கன்னா இங்கே இந்த question mark போட்டிருக்கலாம். So what we can do is this into this by this. Proportion variation நம்ம படிச்சிருப்போம். ஓகேங்களா? So 4650 into 15. So this 4650 into 15 by 100. So that we will come to know what is the amount for 100 square meter. Is it clear? So when I am cancelling the zeros and then by 2, okay, so in 5 itself I did 5 3s are and 5 2s are. Then after this I could not reduce this, so just I am multiplying here and then I am dividing. So I am getting the value as rupees 697 rupees 50 pice. Okay, rupees 697. What is that? This is the cost of the glass used to cover the window. Okay, that you should write on the down. Cost of the glass used to cover the window. It ends with this question. It's clear? Okay. So complete these sums and then we'll meet in the Google Meet. And if any doubts were there, we will clarify in that. Okay. Thank you.